Guys, hello everyone. How you guys doing today? My name is Boomer, and today I wanted to share with you guys how I create my content using artificial intelligence. Uh, this page you're looking at, it's my Facebook page, dedicated to creating, artificial intelligence content. I love playing with images, especially with the power of artificial intelligence. You can create wonders. You're only limited by your imagination. So I hope and I wish that some of you are already using this to create beautiful images. And I know there are a lot of platform on Facebook here, a lot of groups and probably pages that also do things like this. I mean, this is like one of my passion, one of my, you know, should I say hobby or whatever. I just love, creating and, looking at very beautiful images that AI can create. And I love it. So that's why I dedicated this page into creating content like that. If you come to my page, Creative Corner, there are a lot of Creative Corner pages on Facebook. But I think for you to know which one you are on, when you click on, you search for the page, you would see this cover image in the background, and then look at my logo here. That's how you find out, or you know that you're on my own page. I'm also going to be posting this video on this same page that I'm doing this. I'm trying to illustrate. Yes, so if you scroll down, you're going to see lots of contents that are created with AI. If you want to see all the photos, you just click on all photos as normally. And then I have a lot of content that I've posted on this account using AI. I mean, there are lots. Feel free to download any that you feel like you want to use for any of your own project or whatever. If you just like any of my images on this Facebook page, you feel free to download it and use it as you so pleased. Okay, these are public content. If you want, you can just kind of give me credit. That's all I ask. Now, let me go back to the home page. I'm going to be showing you guys how I create um, all these images using artificial intelligence. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Here in ChatGPT, this is a prompt that I created. I asked ChatGPT to create or to write these prompts for me, and it wrote these prompts for me. This prompt is for creating different kinds of house models, styles, and whatever. As you can see, I asked it to create 25 prompts for me, and it did create 25 prompts. So we're just going to pick one out of these 25 and see what we can create from it and see how it's going to appear. Okay. Excuse me. So let's take number 17. Let's read it. It says space ready dome house. Design a futuristic dome shaped house built for an isolated desert or tundra environment with high durability and solar panels integrated into the exterior. Include a greenhouse dome for growing food indoors. All right, so let's see what we're going to have with our software. So I'm going to copy the prompts and then take it to the software that I use. All right, I was doing this before. I'm just going to just close it and then reopen it. This software is called Okoya. It's not just an image generation software. It's a social media management software. And if you want to have your hand on this software, I'm going to have the link to this software in the description of this video so you can uh, purchase it. And that will be supporting me so that I can create more videos like this. I will get a commission if you decide to buy the software. Thank you. So I'm going to paste the prompt that we just copied from ChatGPT, and then I'm going to click on the create button. Let's wait and see the wonders that AI is going to do. Now, when you click on the create button right here, it takes about 10 seconds or 15, sometimes based on the speed of the internet. Very good. So this is our first result. Look at it. Let's create another one, because with this software you can create as many images as you want from one prompt. The AI understand and will give you different uh images. It's not going to repeat the same image that is being that has that's created before. It's going to give you something a little different. So let's try and see what we have next. All right, we're still waiting. All right, now this is the second one. Now look at it. This is the second image that we're having right now. Okay, let's do another one. Let's create about four and see the differences between the four. So this is the third one we are creating right now. So let's just wait and see how it's going to look different from the other ones. Let's wait for a bit. Now this has been created. Oh my goodness, I love this one. Oh my god, this is so sweet. All right, let's do the last one. Let's do the last one, guys, and see what we have. This is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. Mm. All right. So among the four, I really like this one. This one, I love this one. But I'm just going to click on the use button and then it's going to appear. Let me drag this to the side here. So it's going to appear right here on the media section. It's going to appear. I don't know. Maybe the internet is slow. All right. Here it is. All right. If I want to add more, I'm just going to click on this three dot here and then I click plugin, click on AI arts, and then I'm going to use this one again. And then it's loading. While it's loading, I can still go back, click here, select this one, come back here, select the last one. It's gonna be this one, right? Yeah. Select it. Okay, so we have our four images ready to be posted, but I want to write a post attached to it. So I'm just going to click the I'm just going to paste the same prompt and then I'm going to ask ChatGPT a remixer which is embedded or integrated into this software to write a prompt from to write a post from that prompt. So here is the post. It says, "Discover the future of sustainable living with a space-ready dome home designed for the harshest environment. These futuristic." So this is like kind of um, is it advertising or what? Yeah, but that is not what we're doing here. This is created by AI. So I might just say write a post describing, let me see, and my, yeah, I'm going to click to regenerate again. Let's see what we have. Okay, discover the future of sustainable living with us. It's still writing the same thing. I really don't want that. That's why I don't like using the prompts, because the AI thinks you're trying to promote the product. So what do you think I should write? Let me say beautiful, a beautiful dome greenhouse. Then I'm going to ask you to write, just write anything for the post. So it says, step into the serenity of nature with this stunning dome shaped greenhouse, perfect for growing your favorite plant. I think this one makes sense. So now I'm going to select the social profiles that I want to post this content to. I'm going to select my Instagram account, select Pinterest, and then select my Facebook page. And then I'm going to select Pinterest, and then I'm also going to select the board that I want to post this content to. Now, as I stated before, this is not just an image creator AI. It's a social media manager or management software. If you look at here, it's telling you like the best days and best times that you can post your content to get more engagement from people online. When you create your post and you are satisfied with the post, um, you can either post now, you can schedule for later. You can also ask for approval from if you have clients or someone you're working with. You can save and confirm, but I want to just post this, so I'm going to click on post now, and then it's been scheduled to post, and it says it's going to post today at 8:47 p.m. So it looks like it automatically just scheduled it for later based on the best times to post for today. So I'm going to be okay with that. I'm just going to click on save and confirm. Then that post has been created, and I'll wait for it to appear on my social media platform. So this is how I create my images using this social media manager or management software. I have different or other AI software to create images, not just this one. I just love this one because of the ease of creating the images and posting it directly to your social media platforms. I just love it that way. That's why I'm so glued at this, at using this very this software. As you can see, I have a lot of posts that I've already, created and posted on this from this social media manager. You can see I have 514 posts total that I've created. Right now it's just showing 0 to 24. If I want to go to like 120, it's going to, it's loading. Now you can scroll down and see the different posts that I have created. I still have most of these prompts, or the prompts that I used in creating all of these images. I still have the prompts. So, and I'm going to be creating a guide with the prompt added to it to sell it. It's my knowledge. So I'm going to be creating it and, you know, sharing with you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.